For problem 3, I want to factor y is equal to x to the 6th power minus 5x to the 4th power plus 4x squared. Because I see 3 terms here, and this is a higher degree polynomial, I'm probably going to use the diamond method. However, in the form that it is right now, I can't use the diamond method. But if I check the thing that I'm supposed to check first when factoring, if I check GCF, do these terms have something in common, and I take that out, then I will have the form that I need. So the first method that I'm going to use is the GCF method. All of these terms have an x squared in common. So the reason why I'm using the GCF method is because all terms have an x squared in common that I can take out. And the second method that I'm going to use after I take out x squared from each of these terms, I'll have x squared times x to the 4th power minus 5x squared plus 4. And this looks like the form I need for me to be able to use the diamond method. And specifically, I'm going to be using the diamond to factored form. So I'm going to be using the diamond to factored form. So the reason why I'm using the diamond to factored form, first of all, is because it's in the form ax squared plus bx plus c form with x actually being x squared. So substituting x with x squared, I have that form. I also know I'm going to use diamond to factored form because a is equal to 1. That's how I know it's factored form and not expanded form. The other reason I know that I'm going to be able to use the diamond is that I can find 2 numbers that multiply to 4, so multiply to 4, and add up to -5 from here. And those are the reasons why I am going to use diamond to factored form. So I'm going to use my diamond. I need 2 numbers that multiply to 4 and add up to -5. Those numbers are -4 and -1, which means in my factored form, because I can go directly to factored form, those are going to be the constants in my factored forms, in my parentheses in factored form. So I have -4 and -1. But what goes here, instead of, normally I would put x if I had ax squared plus bx plus c form, but now I'm substituting x with x squared, so x squared goes here, and x squared goes here. I can't forget about that x squared also that I took out in the beginning, so I need to include that as well. So I'm multiplying x squared times x squared minus 4 times x squared minus 1. I have to factor these things as much as possible, so if I have the difference of 2 squares, I'm going to need to factor it further to its smallest factors. I know x squared minus 4 is x squared minus 2 squared, so I can break it down into x plus 2 times x minus 2, and x squared minus 1 breaks down into x plus 1 times x minus 1, and this is my final factored form.